Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on First Direct Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in firstdirect.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for First Direct Bank. Now click on the online banking button at the top right corner and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in the username that you have used while creating your account within the username box and then click on continue. You will then be asked to enter your password. After typing in your password and clicking on the login button, you will be logged into your account on First Direct Bank. Once you are logged in, simply hover over to the card section and you will find the button that you can click on to cancel your card. If you don't find this option, click on contact us from the homepage and now scroll down and you will see the chat with us in online banking option. You can use this feature and let them know that you wish to cancel your card. And once you receive a response, you will be given the steps that you can follow in order to have your card cancelled. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to cancel your card on First Direct Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.